GermGuardian Air Purifier for large rooms, true HEPA filter for allergies, pollen, smoke, dust, pet dander, UVC sanitizer eliminates germs, mold, odors, quiet for home, bedrooms, 28 4-in-1 AC 5350 B4 IN1 Air Purifier True HEPA air filter reduces up to 99.97% of harmful dust, pollen, pet dander, mold spores, and other allergens as small as 0.3 microns from the air input voltage. AC120 Volt 60 Hertz. Kills germs. UVC light helps kill airborne viruses such as influenza, staph, rhinovirus, and works with titanium dioxide to reduce volatile organic compounds. Traps allergens. Pre-filter traps dust, pet hair, and other large particles while extending the life of the HEPA filter. Reduces odors. Activated charcoal filter helps reduce unwanted odors from pets, smoke, cooking fumes, and more. Quiet mode. Ultra quiet sleep mode with a programmable timer helps you get a good night's rest with cleaner air. Genuine filter replacement. Only use Genuine GermGuardian Technologies replacement filters every 6 to 8 months to maintain performance. Cord length 6. Recommended filters. Replace with Guardian Filter C, FLT 5000, or a 4-pack of Guardian Carbon filters, FLT 28CB4. Settings. Choose 5-speed settings, customizable timer settings, up to 8 hours, and an optional UVC light. Room size filters. Air 4x per hour at max speed in medium to large rooms up to 167 square feet. CATR rating. Dust, 114. Pollen, 127. And smoke, 108. Energy Star certified. GermGuardian Energy Star certified and CARB compliant products help you save on monthly energy costs. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.